In this video we will be replacing the battery from an early 2000s Mercedes key fob. The only tool that is needed for this task is a flathead screwdriver. We will also need two regular CR2025 batteries. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to release and take out the mechanical key. Push the release tab on the outer case and pull out the mechanical key. Next you will see this small gray spring-loaded latch in the top section of the key. Using the mechanical key, press on the gray latch, and using a screwdriver, separate the seam here to remove the battery compartment. There are two batteries of CR2025 in here. The two small plus sign here indicates that the positive side of the batteries is on top. The batteries slide off, and you can replace them with fresh batteries. Again, the positive side is on top. Next, put the battery compartment back into the case. The last step is to put the mechanical key back. You can press the buttons to make sure that the small red LED lights up. This is how simple and easy it is to replace the batteries on your Mercedes key fob. Thanks for watching.